Welcome to CyberSecPro training module, Cybersecurity Essentials and Management for Energy Sector. Elevate your cybersecurity skills with EU CyberSecPro. Professional training, join the movement to build a stronger European cybersecurity workforce. Acknowledgement. The project is funded by the European Union under the project agreement number Module-01 83594. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the author only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or HDIA. Neither the European Union nor the granting authority can be held responsible for them. The module provides a comprehensive overview of cybersecurity's essential concepts and principles for managers and energy sector cybersecurity aspiring professionals. Specifically tailored for the energy sector, this module goes beyond generic cybersecurity training to address the unique challenges and vulnerabilities faced by energy providers. The participants will gain deep understanding of the cyber landscape targeting energy infrastructure, including industry-specific threats, vulnerabilities, and targeted attacks on SCADA systems, smart grids, and other critical energy assets. Generic and energy-specific regulatory compliance. Develop strategies to identify, assess, and mitigate cyber risks. Implement effective technical and organizational measures, including cybersecurity controls. Develop and execute incident response plans. Communicate cybersecurity risks, policies, and procedures effectively. Develop and maintain cybersecurity documentation. Demonstrate a willingness to stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. Following are the training assessment elements to determine participants have achieved the learning outcomes, including 1. Formative assessment. Ongoing process of evaluating participants' learning during a training program, including pre-assessment, during, and post-assessment in each training topic. 2. Summative assessment. Learner needs to produce targeted outcomes and deliverables at the mid-term and end of the training by performing a list of tasks to demonstrate the result of threat and vulnerability assessment and control to tackle the threats based on a real-world scenario. CyberSecPro trainers come from diverse backgrounds, including leading cybersecurity experts, professors, researchers, and industry representatives. The CyberSecPro trainers worked in various projects with EU Cybersecurity Agency, NATO Cyber Defense, EU innovation projects and forefronts of cybersecurity field, including developing European cybersecurity skills, framework and strategies. Get in touch with the trainers. For this CyberSecPro module, Paresh Rathod from Laurea, Finland. Email paresh@rathod.fi. Pasi Kempi, Laurea, Finland. Email pasi.campielorea.fi. Cristina Alcaraz from Malaga University, Spain. Email alcarazuma.des. Ricardo Gregorio Lugo from Taltech, Estonia. Email ricardo.polugo@taltech.ui. Kitty Kioskli from Trustilio, the Netherlands. Email kittykioskli@trustilio.com. Stilianos Karagianis PDM, Portugal. Email stilianos.karagianis@pdmf.com. Louise Preston, SGI, Denmark. Email lpowerseriusgames.net. Partners, CyberSecPro brings together 27 EU organizations that are united by the ambition to shape the future of EU cybersecurity education and training. References and sources. CyberSecPro project adheres to transparency and lists the resources that contributed to this training module. 1. Content for teaser video. The content of this teaser video is based on the CyberSecPro project's deliverable D3.1, CyberSecPro program, authored by Paresh Rathod and Paulinus Ofam, Laurea, Finland, and Vasco Delgado Gomes, Uninova, Portugal, with valuable contributions from CyberSecPro partners. 2. Language expertise. The deliverable underwent rigorous linguistic proofreading. This involved utilizing Grammarly AI and the meticulous review by native English speakers. 3. Multimedia content. Engaging images, videos, and audio were sourced from the Pictory database. 4. Partner collaboration. We acknowledge the contributions of our CyberSecPro partners, including the trainer photos featured in this video. 5. Learning materials. The training materials for this CyberSecPro module were supplied by a listed trainer, and due credit is given to the authors. 6. Materials of the training created using academic research literatures and open education material OEM with due credits to authors. For more information on CyberSecPro professional training and registration information, visit to website www.cybersecproproject.eu. Elevate your cybersecurity skills with EU CyberSecPro professional training. Join the movement to build a stronger European cybersecurity workforce. Ready to join us? Sign up for our training or explore partnership opportunities. More details on our website, www.cybersecproproject.eu. Look forward to hearing from you.